Hi folks, and welcome back to Real Kitchen Projects. In today's video, I'll be discussing the effects of tariffs on kitchen cabinetry. I've been getting calls from clients wondering if tariffs will affect the final price of their cabinets. And the short answer is maybe. Interestingly enough, kitchen cabinetry is one of the few industries that we still manufacture in America. But in order to produce these cabinets, we need to import material. And one of the main materials that we rely on is plywood, which we import in large quantities from Canada. Additionally, we import hardware for the cabinets, such as the soft close mechanisms for the drawers. Today's soft close mechanisms are pretty standard in kitchen cabinets today. Unless you specify Blum, which comes from Germany, and you're looking to save some money, chances are it's coming in from China. Now, if you're in the market for a new kitchen and you're 80 to 90% complete on your design, I highly recommend that you button that up and place your order in as soon as possible. If you wait for the tariffs to be imposed and the manufacturer needs to order a new shipment, your cabinets will increase in price. That's why I highly recommend to my clients to take advantage of the existing stock that's readily available in America in order for you to save some money. A great way to save money is by purchasing semi-custom stock cabinetry. Now, the term semi-custom stock generally refers to the limited doors and colors available. Unlike a fully custom line where you can mix and match wood species, door styles, stains, and paints, semi-custom stock is limited to about 3 to 4 doors in set colors. While you don't have many options in a semi-custom line, the selections tend to reflect current kitchen trends, which allow you to make a satisfying decision on your final kitchen design. Now let me show you what I look for in a semi-custom line to get the most bang out of your buck. Let's go. Here we have a nice white shaker cabinet, which is a popular door style in a semi-custom stock line, typically found in a big box store. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that the rails and the stiles on this door are wider than those on a typical shaker door, making it a great option in a semi-custom category. If you're considering a shaker door, pay close attention to the center panel. The center panels on a shaker door are usually about 3/16 of an inch thick. This door features a solid center panel, which makes it heavier and quieter compared to a standard 3/16 of an inch center panel door, as you can hear it when I tap on it. Next, one of the first features I look for when shopping for a cabinet is the material of the cabinet sides, or carcass. Typically, cabinet manufacturers use 1/2 inch plywood, but in this line, it takes it up a step and uses 5/8 of an inch plywood. That's a nice bonus to have. Another important feature to consider is the hardware, particularly the soft close mechanisms. Fortunately, most cabinet lines today include this as a standard option. However, in a semi-custom stock line, it may not always be available. This particular line has a nice soft close mechanism. Just pull the drawer out and take a good look at the quality inside. Finally, I look for the depth of the drawer boxes. A deeper drawer is essential for fitting utensils, tools, and other items. Most drawer boxes are about 2 inches deep, but this cabinet provides a 4-inch deep drawer box, which makes it a fantastic feature. Well, there you have it, folks, what I look for in a semi-custom stock line to save some money. If any of this information is useful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free with no tariffs. And if you need any help with your kitchen design, feel free to contact us. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and most importantly, have a great day.